How to send hyperlink in Gmail. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if you want to do that, then please keep watching and I'll show you guys everything step by step. So I'm going to compose a new email, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to send it to myself. Now, let's say you want to send a link. Now, there's two ways to do this. And that is, for examples like this, where you would say like, hello, please check out the tutorial about Gmail below, and then Gmail tutorial, and then you put the link. Well, that's not really what we want. This looks ugly, it takes up a lot of space, and we want to add this as a hyperlink. So you want to make sure to have your link copied. In this case, I just copied the link of my YouTube channel for the sake of this tutorial. And then what you want to do is simply go to the place where you want to add the hyperlink. So I want to add, put it on this part where I say tutorial about Gmail. And then what I want to do is go down below, and over here you can see insert link. Now if I click on here, it says text to display right over here. This is exactly what we want. And here you want to paste in the link, then simply click on OK. And there we go. It has now been changed to a hyperlink. And when we click on it, it'll bring it over to, in this case, my channel. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I were to just add a random subject, and then here is the email. As you can see, please check out the tutorial about Gmail, and then you click on this. And there we go. We are now on the link. So that's how to send hyperlink in Gmail.